Here we go. Let me lift you up. We'll go right to the top. Let the sun come up. Together we can fly. All our hearts collide. Stay here by my side. I say we jump, we fly, we reach out to the sky. And it goes on and on and on and on and on. And we go on and on and on and on. And it goes on and on and on and on and on. And we go on and on and on and on. We're gonna fly high, be alive. Yeah. We're gonna fly high, be alive. We're gonna fly high, be alive.
Good morning po! Welcome to Be Alive! Nakakatuwa naman kasi maraming bumabati sa show natin. At parami ng parami ang tumatawag para malaman kung ano itong Lammy-9 na pinag-uusapan natin.
Marami kasing nagtatanong, itong Lammy-9 na ito, pwede ba sa taong walang sakit?
Ay naku tita, talaga pong ang Lammy-9 hindi lang para sa may sakit, kundi para din po doon sa mga ayaw magkasakit. Ay, yun eh. Yun ang pinakamaganda. Pero meron kang surprise sa kanila, di ba? Pero huwag mo sasabihin kay Barok.
Ano yun?
So, sa inyo po mga nandito sa studio ngayon, ay meron po kaming handog sa inyo para huwag kayong magkasakit o kung meron bang kayo sakit, may libre kayong Lammy-9 ngayong araw.
Sa mga walang sakit, prevention naman yun.
No matter how good life is, there's always a challenge to be met. And sometimes, no matter how bad life goes, you know, there's always something good. Tulad po ng Lammy-9, ito po ay isang biyaya sa ating lahat. Pinagkaloob para po mabuhay tayo, magkaroon ng pagkakataon na ma-enjoy po natin ang buhay natin to the fullest and really enjoy to be alive. Susan, Tita Maggie, we have something great to show our televiewers today. We will bring back Migs Gaviola from episode 6. Napakaganda po ang balita since the last time they were here. Meantime po, we have Luis Cuervo. He survived rectal and prostate cancer. Watch this.
When I was 42 years old, I was diagnosed with colorectal cancer, adenocarcinoma of the rectum, and I was told to go to Spain, Pamplona. It was there they had this specialized treatment, chemo, concurrently with radiotherapy and the operation. With that, you normally have the problems with depression because you see all your portfolio, destroyed. You have to pick up the pieces, and it's quite very difficult. I had to go back to London. And because I was not in my environment, things were not very ideal. The operation saved me from the cancer, no? But a year ago, I had a recurrence when I went back to the doctor, and he asked me to set aside a substantial amount to go through the biopsies and all that again. This time it was in my prostate, and I had problems with my adrenal nodules. I lost a lot of weight. I encountered a conversation between two doctors. One was a gerontologist, was being briefed by someone on Lammy-9, and I liked the idea of the body curing itself. And I took the supplements, and on the third day, I really felt the effect of Lammy-9. I would wake up 2 in the morning, 3 in the morning, and to relieve myself, hardly could do a pee, With Lammy-9, wow. Yeah, I feel, con gusto, as they say, Slept very well that day. And then I said, oh, this is something I need. Next thing I know, my family members were intrigued by my sudden change of health, When I went to visit the doctor again, and he didn't recognize me, he said, you look 15 years younger if you're the person I was talking to, Judging from the feedback of the doctor, who saw me the second time around, he ended up taking Lammy-9 too. I don't anymore have my cancer. I feel like a 30-year-old, and I'm 52. Well, one thing I noticed when I took Lammy-9 was that aside from being always feeling good, I started growing hair. Nakabuko rin.
When we come back, we will have Luis Cuervo, Migs Gaviola, and Be Alive. We'll be right back.
Fly high, be alive.
Good morning, Luis.
Good morning.
Luis, you had a very extraordinary story, no?
Colorful,
And
yeah.
You had prostate cancer.
Yes, I did.
Actually, rectal cancer muna, no?
Yeah.
And then after 10 years, prostate,
That's right.
no? And Laminine helped you a lot.
Oh, yes, definitely. Thanks to Laminine, I'm here. Looking good.
And I saw also pictures, and I can see you look much, much younger.
Yes,
You know,
that's right.
Susan, dati-dati walang buhok si Luis.
Sige.
Pero ngayon tumubo na.
No, talagang
Oo nga,
ano
yeah.
nga. Totoo ba yun? Talagang because of Laminine? You did not do anything
that was
else?
actually the accident. Because I was really for the purpose of, getting myself fixed.
Okay.
And then, next thing I know, tubo yung buhok. Okay. Diba? At least when I look in the mirror every day, I'm not depressed.
So, now that everybody had seen you, lalo na the whole Philippines, baka mag-umpisang tatawag na yung mga ex-girlfriend mo yan, ha?
Sana. I'm back!
Thank you again, Luis, for inspiring and sharing your story. Because I think that's the best thing we can do when natulungan ka ng Laminine, and I'm sure you're inspiring everybody.
Oh, yeah. I'm very grateful. So I want to pass on, what blessings I received. Why not try it? And feel good, like
Yes,
me.
very good. And you've not tried any other supplements in the past?
I took all these supplements,
And nothing
vitamin A, vitamin C, B1, 6, 12, all that, no?
Walang
And then, but those were a couple of years ago.
So, Ana, would you like to share who you have today?
Kasama natin ngayon si Migs Gaviola. We guested her on our show last February 10. Ladies and gentlemen, please welcome back Migs Gaviola. We took a video footage of your kneecap, Migs. The first time was on November 15, 2012. At pinakita namin na wala siyang tuhod, Susan, Tita Maggie. Wala talaga, nothing. Ngayon, the second time po was January 16, nagtitaping tayo para sa episode niya. Ngayon, after nung pinalabas yung episode niya nung February 10, tumawag kaagad sa akin si Mig. Sabi niya, Ana, buo na ang aking tuhod.
So, Migs, pwedeng maipakita natin sa mga televiewers natin yung himalang nangyari sa iyo. Wow.
Buo na.
Wow.
Buo na to.
Talagang
Buo uli.
Alam mo, Ana,
Pakapalitan natin kabila.
dati talaga feel na feel ko talaga yung hollow siya, you know?
Tapos nung,
Oh my
nung
God,
January
this thing
16 ho, kalahati ho. Ngayon, parehas na.
So talagang inaano niya yung buto, no? Nag-grow siya talaga. Wow. Well, my God. Sobrang milagro talaga, no, Ana? Ito po talaga ay actual. Nakita nyo noon, nakita nyo ngayon. So, ang hindi nyo na lang po naranasan ay ang mahawakan. Pero sinasabi lang po namin sa inyo, nahawakan ko po. No? Nahawakan. Talagang
May dito. And Susan, para lang naman din maalala ng mga televiewers yung kanyang episode. Remember, Migs had cancer, ha? Ganun kalaki, di ba, Migs? In the chest.
Yung cyst ko po originally was this big dito sa gitna. Iba siya dun sa cyst ko sa lungs,
Sa lungs.
which was 56.8 centimeters.
Ang laki
So the cyst in the lungs tsaka yung cyst ko dito na ganito kalaki, pareho kong nawala.
Wow! At tumubo pa ang tuhod niya.
Bonus po yun. Naantay ko po, tumangkad ako. Pasakali lang.
Oh, you never know. Thank you, Luis.
Yes, Luis.
And Migs, for sharing your miracle with us. Masaya pong babalik ang Be Alive! Fly high, be alive! Welcome, Dr. Salindong, Dr. Austria, and Dr. Arlie. Welcome po sa Be Alive.
Doctors, I was wondering, paano naman nawala yung prostate cancer ni Mr. Luis Cuervo?
Talking about laminine, no, one of the things na nakikita nga namin dyan, it has the capability to shrink tumors, no, even talagang nawawala siya and not detected sa mga examination. Ako siguro, I really believe na laminine, ang nagawa nito was basically regulate all the hormones, no, responsible for the shrinkage of the tumor. Alam naman natin that one of the hormones na nakaka-impluwensya sa pagliit at paglaki ng ating prostate is yung testosterone. No, and laminine works directly on the HPA, no, on the hypothalamus pituitary adrenal gland, and these glands are responsible for the regulation of your testosterone, no? And one of the reason bakit lumalaki ang prostate natin and to the point that it become a cancer, no, is because of the decrease in the level of your testosterone. Isa yan sa causes eh. Now, laminine, nire-regulate niya nga uli eh. Kaya nga, di ba, ang dami na natin narinig na testimony na yung kanilang machism, bumalik, di ba?
Because of what laminine can do, it can facilitate yung elimination ng mga toxins. Mas mabilis yan mapapalabas sa katawan. Kasi yan, parang estrogen yan, which is very bad for the prostate. Pag nasa katawan mo yan, lalaki yung prostate mo, magiging cancer. Pero with laminine, maka-facilitate yung paglalabas ito. Kasi we know laminine, alam nila, can help yung amino acids form things na nagpapalabas nitong mga toxins na ito sa katawan.
Detox.
Oo. And secondly, mabuboost yung immune system. Tapos yung immune system naman can fight the cancer cells, kaya it can also help in shrinking the cancer.
And
Fantastic
Dr.
talaga.
Arlie?
Yes, alam natin yung cancer po wala pang gamot kasi ang cause ng cancer hindi natin alam almost anything can cause cancer, multifactorial siya Dahil sa hindi natin alam talaga yung specific mechanism, hindi tuloy natin natitreat properly. So, ang pwede ring solution dyan is something that will also support the body in a generalized way. O yun yung sinasabing the principle of adaptogen. At pag gumalaw yung pituitary gland sa brain natin, yung sinabi ni Dr. Salindong na HPA, hypothalamic pituitary gland axis, ay lahat na gagalawin niya And the body is intelligent. The body knows how to heal itself. Bahala niya kung paano niya pipitikin din yung mga iba't ibang factors na pwede hindi ma-identify. Kasi sa medicine kasi, ang focus natin is very specific. We find the problem, fix the problem, but on a specific way. Oftentimes, nakakalimutan natin na the body moves in a generalized way. Of course, including the specific area. So that is where the ingredients of laminine may come in kasi it will support almost entirely the body function. And that will help in any disease, including cancer.
Galing talaga. Grabe no, Susan? Anyway, Dr. Austria was with us nung February 10 natin na episode. Siya po yung nakakita at nakawitness nung tuhod ni Migs na kakalahati lang ho ang tuhod. Now naman, pinakita po natin sa audience natin and Doktora also saw it and our doctor saw it, buo na yung tuhod niya. So, grabe itong laminine. Para bang, wow, di ba, cancer, nawawala, tuhod, tumutubo.
And yet,
ano ba to?
hindi siya gamot. Remember?
Hindi siya gamot. Oo.
Di ba? So,
Doctor, please.
Ang maganda sa laminine is yung katawan natin ang nag-desisyon kung anong pwedeng gawin You know, kung yung drugs, hindi niya alam kung anong ginagawa ng katawan mo. Hindi siya nakaka-receive ng feedback from your body kung anong kailangan ng katawan mo. But with laminine, because of the fibroblast growth factor, it can respond kung anong kailangan ng katawan mo. Yung drug, kung ano lang, yun ang gagawin niya, yun ang gagawin niya. Pero ang laminine, kung kailangan mo anti-inflammatory siya. Kung kaya, anti-tumor siya. Kung immune boosting. Kung toxin elimination, kaya niya. Kung hormonal imbalance, nababalance niya. Kaya,
para pala siyang radar, ano, alalaman niya, nididetect niya sino yung kaaway.
Yes,
Tapos
Doctor,
yun ang i-attack niya.
Alam ko kung sino kaaway mo.
And then the drugs just address the symptoms, not the cause, di ba?
Doctors, kasi ang dinatanong ko ngayon is, itong napakalaking milagro, no? Yung matubuan ka ng kneecap. di ba? Yung sa ating kasi ibang mga cases, nawawala, na-eliminate yung mga cancer, tumor, etc. Ito naman tumutubo. So, kakaiba din siya.
If you look at kasi the active ingredients in laminine, di ba? Alam naman natin kung ano naman yan. It contains amino acid, and then may phytoproteins from yellow pea, and then it contains marine protein, di ba? No, from shark cartilage. No, and then yun nga, yung FGF-PESE, the fibroblast growth factor plus the essential nutrients. No, I think one of the things that contributed dun sa pagtubo ng kneecap ni Migs, no, was the chondroitin and the glycoaminoglycans nandoon sa shark cartilage. Yun eh. Kasi yung chondroitin is responsible for the regeneration of your cartilage. It's also a very powerful anti-inflammatory, no, and also ang ginagawa pa nila, they block an enzymes, no, in the body that basically destroys your cartilage. Plus the fibroblast growth factor, no, siguro na influensya pa niya na lalo na mas magtrabaho pa. That hindi yan miracle eh. Kasi nga, alam mo may laman yung laminine that can really do something about the cartilage, and that's the shark cartilage in the chondroitin.
So parang sa scientific ho ito, Doctor.
Yes.
Kumbaga hindi ito yung parang...
Hindi magic yan.
Magic lang.
No.
And Ana, kanina,
Actually, what do you call this, Tita Maggie, yung bang kaya yung iba may arthritis sila, kasi pinakamasakit na sakit yung sa buto, di ba, Doctor? So, arthritis, yung gout, ganun ba? Anything na, pati yung deformation ng fingers, no? May yung ate ko, di-deform na yung fingers niya. Yung isa naman, hindi niya yung daliri niya, di ba?
Actually, Susan,
So,
for our next episode, we will be discussing yung mga bone problems na may arthritis na gano'n. So,
yeah.
abangan nyo po yan next week naman.
Yeah. So, yung sinasabi nga ni Dr. Salindong na yung chondroitin, no? And marami ding mga products na meron nun. Pero kahit ako, nung may arthritis ako, 10 years ako nag-suffer, no? Lahat na yun, ininom ko na yun. Pero walang effect. Itong laminine, meron siya fibroblast growth factor, which is yung intellectual yung na radar nga na he will really attack. Dr.
Because there is the immediate combination of three factors: building, maintaining, repair. Simultaneous yun. Kung kailangan ng repair, and then kung na-build na, i-build, and then pag na-build na, i-maintain. Pero halos sabayan. Yung iba kasi, ang focus lang repair. Iba ang focus lang maintain. Iba ang focus lang building. Pero the adaptogenic function of the body is simultaneous movement of these three major functions of the body: build, maintain, repair. So sa kanya nagkaroon ng repair, di ba?
Yes.
Yeah.
So nag-repair siya, and then pag na-repair na, i-maintain. Di ba? And then kung kailangan mag-build, magbe-build. That's where the body's infinite intelligence, which came from God, comes in.
Para tayo nagiging bata ba? Di ba nung bata tayo, pag napilayan ka o nabalian ka, gumagaling ka kaagad kasi nga, young pa yung mga cells natin siguro. So, parang yun,
Nare-restore yun, yung function na usually nakikita sa bata.
And still, no, what's the best about this product, laminine, no? Kasi nga, it's because of the fibroblast growth factor. Without the fibroblast growth factor, I don't think that the chondroitin alone or the shark cartilage, can produce the same result. Kasi there's a lot of shark cartilage supplement in the market, pero seldom you see a result as fascinating, as amazing as like this one,
And
because of the
Doctor, you
fibroblast
said
growth
that
factor.
an operation like for the kneecap would cost about $500,000 pesos.
We were doing ACL.
Wow! We just $500,000. Grabe. Sa Pilipinas yun, Doktor. Kaya kasi sa US, ang mahal nun. Mas mahal pa lalo.
I have one patient kasi also the same case, no, but this one is a ACL tear. No, napunit yung tendon niya. This is a basketball player, no. Before sabi niya kailangan ko na magpa-surgery. Wag muna. Try laminine. Plus I gave calcium, collagen, and the others, no, together with laminine.
Yeah.
Nag-repair eh.
Wow.
I have also the document for this. I'll share it with you later.
Dahil nga sa fibroblast growth factor, maliban sa repair, makokontrol niya yung ibang mga mechanisms na nagkukos ng destruction. So, kung under control yan, which, anything's possible with the fibroblast growth factor, ililesen mo ang destruction, i-build up mo yung repair.
So ngayon ho, na alam nyo nang pwede nang ma-repair at tumubo ang mga buto nyo, hindi ho ibig sabihin ay hindi na kayo mag-iingat. mag-ingat pa rin po kayo. Dahil prevention is better than cure. Yes. Baka mamaya magmaneho kayo. Di ba, may laminain naman eh. Kahit mabangga na ako.
Bunggo natin sa pader. Todo walang
Wag
preno.
po.
Well, anyway, doctors, we've also been talking sa start ng show natin about prevention. Sabi nga ni Susan, mas maganda yung bago ka magkasakit, inaalalayan mo na at inaagapan mo na yung sarili mo. Can you tell us something about that, Dr. Austria?
Well, sa prevention, there are a lot of things na bago mo ma-damage yung organs mo, aagapan mo na. And constantly, because of all our pollution, ganyan, nasisira yung organs natin. Yung cataract is because nasisira yung lens natin. Yung arteries natin because of the inflammation, nagbabara. Same with the joint, same with the skin, kaya nagkakaroon ng wrinkles, no? So, if we take Lamine on a preventive basis, i-repair niya constantly, no? Kaya nga sabi niyo, kung hindi kayo mag-ingat, ma-aksidente kayo, i-repair kayo yung Lamine. Pero baka hindi na niya makaya yung anti-aging kasi busy-busy na siya sa kaka-repair.
Tama!
Kaya dapat, kung gusto niyo ng anti-aging, huwag kayo mag-aksidente at uminom lang kayo ng Lamine for your anti-aging.
Tama po. Forever young, forever young.
And also, in addition, sabi nga, still, WHO, the World Health Organization, sinabi pa rin nila talaga that prevention is still the most cost-effective and long-term strategy for cancer, for all other chronic disease. Kaya hindi pwede na sasabihin mo, di bale, may laminay na lang, ganun pa rin, no? Exactly. That cannot be the case, no? It should be really, kailangan talaga we focus more on the prevention kasi mas ganda kaysa iintayin natin na may sakit ka na and then at the time you're only going to take laminay. Ako, I was telling my patient, no? Kung kaya mo lang ngayon, do it now instead of waiting na until you get sick.
Tama po, tama.
Correct.
Parang bahay yan eh. Kung mapapatibay mo yung haligi at yung fondasyon, then mas maganda para pag dumating ang bagyo, hindi mabubuwag yung bahay.
Magkikita tayong lahat hanggang 100 years old.
At saka kahit ang Lamine, hindi lang rebuild. Siyempre, inaano pa rin niya yung mechanisms ng katawan natin pag-eliminate ng toxins at saka yung mga nakakasira. So, tinatanggal mo na yung nagdi-destroy. Hindi siya nadi-destroy. Maliban sa nagbi-build ka. Yan ang prevention mo. Kasi, like for the joint, hindi naman yung, it's actually the joint is very active. It's really, pag pinag-aralan mo yung joint metabolism, it's really a balance of what is being destroyed and kung ano yung nare-repair. So, pag natalo yung nare-repair, manay distraction, because of the fibroblast growth factor. Siya nakakapag-decide ano ang priority
Pero talagang preventive po. Sa Europe talaga mas preventive pa sila. Sa Amerika, curative. Doon sila yung pag may sakit na, doon na lang.
Kaya ganito na ang balance. Kaya pag may sakit, magpa-doktor. Kaya nga if symptoms persist, consult a doctor. Yan yung therapeutics. Yan yung treatment. Ngayon, ang next phase is to avoid getting sick. Yan yung preventive medicine. Pero the higher level is towards wellness, health promotion. So, yung adaptogenic function na nakukuha natin sa ingredients ng Lamine, it will help support treatment, it will help prevent, it will help also in the promotion. Kaya yung tatlong konsepto na kung paano lalong gaganda yung anyo ng ating kalusugan, nandun na lahat.
Ayun, diba? Napakaganda. Para pong mag-ipon ka ngayon ng pera dahil baka bukas may pagkakagastusan ka. Diba? Ganon din yun. So yung preventive, palakasin mo na yung katawan mo dahil baka bukas may biglang sakit na dumating sa'yo. Dahil hereditary, yung genetics, diba? Nasa lahi ninyo. So maiwasan mo na yan. Tama ba, Doc?
At saka talagang mas maganda, uminom tayo ng Lamine consistently, regularly. Kasi kamukha yung sabihin mo laboratory. Yung laboratory, yung nag-a-abnormal yan kung sobrang, let's say, sa kidney. 50% of the kidney sira na bago maging abnormal yung labs. Hihintayin mo pa ba yun? Tapos pag oras maging abnormal, mabilis na ang pag-deteriorate. Hihintayin mo ba yun? Uminom na lang ng Lamine unti-unti. Para unti-unti na rin-repair every day. Even before the blood laboratory become abnormal.
Alam mo, Susan, sabi ng surgeon ko, lalo na pag inumpisahan daw ang Lamine sa mga bata, we will start seeing people reach the age of 100 up to 120. Grabe.
At saka not that they reach 120. Yun pong healthy ba? You know, that is what matters Yun yung malakas tayo. Tignan mo si Dr. Austria, si Dr. Salino, tsaka si Dr. Arnie, gumagandang mga lalaki. Gumaganda. Anong secret?
Lamine.
Actually, Actually, Susan, we're so grateful, no? Kasi we always have the presence of Dr. Salindong, Dr. Osler, Dr. Ali. Napakahusay po ng mga doktor ito.
At saka, one last, Doc. Hindi nyo napapansin, kayo lagi ang bida eh. Nakita nyo bang pumapayat ako?
Outfit ka na, ha?
Dati, Doc, ang mga suot ko, yung mga kurtina namin, ginagamit kong damit. Kumisang kumot na. Ngayon, binago ko yung dosage, 5 and 5.
Wow.
After meals, before.
Oh my gosh. Ganun pa rin.
At the end
Before
of the
breakfast and before sleeping. 5 and 5. Dati 2 and 2 lang. I started burning fat.
Galing
And
naman.
cellulite.
Oh, di ba?
Mga kaibigan, hindi naman po kami papayag na walang epekto sa melanine. Hindi tamagi ho, bumata ako, commute. Anyway, Susan, we have to wrap up again, and we'd like to thank our doctors.
Thank you, Doc.
Thank you very, very much.
Thank you very much.
Be alive, of course. We'll be right back. Don't go away.
We're gonna fly high, be alive.
Maraming salamat po ulit sa pagtangkilik niyo sa aming programa at hanggang sa muli.
Be Alive would like to thank the following: